Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In today's video, you will learn how to download and use the new OneDrive app for Windows 11 with new setting user interface. Microsoft has started rolling out the redesigned OneDrive app 64-bit desktop client for Windows 11 in the stable channel with an improved setting page. So far, it was only available to insiders, but now it is apparently distributed to all users. The improved OneDrive app for Windows 11 has a new user interface and navigation similar to the one available in the setting apps of Windows 11. On the right side, you will find four tabs. The first one on the list is Sync and Backup. Here you will find various settings related to sync and backup. You can see that the first one on the list is backup important PC folder to OneDrive. The second one is save photos and videos from devices. The third one is save screenshot I capture to OneDrive. And under preferences, you will find other options like start OneDrive when I sign into Windows, pause syncing when this design is in battery mode, pause syncing when this device is on a metered network. Apart from this, if you click on this advanced settings option, this will unlock more options like file collaboration, file on demand, limit download rate, limit upload rate. So depending on your preferences, you can manage these sync and backup settings. Next on the list is account. Under account tab, you will find your account information accompanied by option to add OneDrive account to your Windows 11 PC or unlink OneDrive account from your PC. Next, you will find choose folder. You can use this option to select particular folder that you want to be available on this PC. Apart from this, you will find personal vault option. Now, for security reasons, your personal vault automatically locks when you are not actively using it. With the help of this option, you can select a particular time period after which you want to lock your personal vault. Click on this option and you will find various time durations like 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. So depending on your preference, you can select the particular time duration. Now next is notification. Under this you will find various notification settings related to OneDrive. Like you can see, the first one on the list is notify me when syncing is paused, notify me when other share with me or edit my shared item, notify me when a large number of files are deleted in the cloud, notify me when on this day memories are available, and the last one is notify me before many files that I deleted on my PC are removed from the cloud. Out of the box, all the options are turned on, so you can manage this notification depending on your preference. The next one is about. Now, as the name suggests, on this setting page you will find information about the OneDrive application. On the top you will find option to copy OneDrive info. Use this button. The next one is a OneDrive device ID and a OneDrive version. I'm running build 22.238.114.00002 for 64-bit, and next you will find related links. Now on the same setting page you will find OneDrive Insider Program section. Now you can turn on this option to get OneDrive Insider preview updates before the release. Apart from these four tabs, you will find storage indicator in the bottom left corner where you will find information about the storage quota. You can see that 8 MB of 5 GB is used. Also, there is a button which you can use to get more storage if your storage is full. Overall, no new features are added to the new OneDrive app except for the setting UI. Although we don't visit the OneDrive setting app often, it's good to see that company is working on improving the app UI to provide users a modern experience. I would like to tell you that Microsoft is gradually rolling out a redesigned OneDrive app for Windows 11, so it is possible that not all users will receive it at the same time. So if you landed on this video, then definitely you are one out of them. If you can't wait for the update to reach your PC and would like to give it a try, then you can check the blog post linked in the description to download new OneDrive 64-bit app for Windows 11. So that's it guys. This is all about the new OneDrive app for Windows 11. What is your opinion about this redesigned OneDrive app for Windows 11? Are you happy with this change? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.